Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Sunday said India is a country of Hindus and not Hindutwadis who want to be in power at any cost. He said, if there is inflation in the country and there is suffering, then this has been done by Hindutwadis. Hindutwadis want power at any cost, Rahul said, addressing a rally against rising inflation in Jaipur. He also targeted Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying Modi ji and his 3-4 industrialist friends ruined the country in 7 years. Describing Hindu and Hindutva as two different words, Rahul said, just as two living beings cannot have one soul, two words cannot have the same meaning. A Hindu is one who is not afraid of anyone, embraces everyone and respects all religion.
ये दो अलग शब्द हैं और इनका मतलब बिल्कुल अलग है। मैं हिंदू हूं मगर हिंदुत्ववादी नहीं हूं। ये सब हिंदू हैं मगर हिंदुत्ववादी नहीं है। और आज मैं आपको हिंदू शब्द और हिंदुत्ववादी शब्द के बीच में फर्क बताना चाहता हूं। भाइयों और बहनों, महात्मा गांधी हिंदू, सही बोला? महात्मा गांधी हिंदू, गोडसे हिंदुत्ववादी। फर्क क्या होता है?
Mahatma Gandhi was a Hindu and Godse was a Hindutvadi, the Congress leader said, stressing that the Hindu continuously searches for truth and spends his entire life for the search just like Mahatma Gandhi. But in the end, one Hindutvadi fired 3 bullets in his chest, Rahul said. Hindutvadi spends his entire life for power and he has nothing to do with the truth. He only wants power and he can do anything for that, whether he has to beat or kill someone, he said. On the contrary, Hindu faces his fears and does not step back even 1 inch. Fear drowns Hindutvadi and this fear creates hatred in the heart, whereas a Hindu's heart contains love and strength, the Congress leader said. I am a Hindu and not Hindutvadi, Rahul Gandhi added.